Hello, my name is Harry Graham and I'm going to talk through the Entities of Interest Workflows tool in Oasys 20. A new Workflows feature has been added to the Oasys suite to make it easier to interrogate and post-process results. If you haven't already watched the video introducing workflows, then please check it out. The Entities of Interest tool is a quick and simple tool to help visualize and act upon selected entities in your model, such as highlighting and GLB exporting ready for use in D3 Plot Viewer. To set up the tool, open Primer and read in a model. Click on Workflows in the Tools menu and then Entities of Interest. In this example, I will pick a few entities and action them in the post-processing software. In the name box, type the name of your entities, for example, front wheels. In the drop-down, select your entity type, for example, parts. Then press Select. Use the menu or Quick Pick to select here. Then Apply in the Select menu, and then you can then press Add. You can now see your first entry in the list box. I'll add another one called Front Suspension. To do this, I'm going to select the part set I've already created. So in the name box, we'll do Front Suspension, change the type to part set, and then select this part set that I've already created, and then add it to the list. You can edit items. For example, I will rename front wheels to front tyres. You can also change the part IDs by clicking here. You can delete entries and only entries in Primer. For example, I'm going to only the front tyres, and then we can also unblank everything again. Once you save that input, it is ready for use in the post-processor D3 plot. As soon as your LS-DYNA results are ready, you can open D3 plot and read in the model. Click on Workflows and then Entities of Interest. Your entries from Primer are now shown. You can only the entries, highlight the entries, and after highlighting them, you might want to reset the model. You can also do a GLB export, which allows your entries to be viewed in D3 Plot Viewer. Simply select the directory for your output files, and then choose whether you want to capture the current frame or animation. I'm going to do animation, which then means you'll have to choose a frame rate. I'm going to choose 5. And then press Export. If you now go to the directory you selected, you can now see one file for each entity in the list, which can now be dropped into D3 Plot Viewer. These are the GLB export files. You can use this tool with multiple models at once, and within each model you can select as many entries as you like. For example, you can just only tyres. Thank you.